refreshed from mind till body.
I feel good.
You're feeling good.
Yes.
Anjana, would you like to express something?
Yes, I'm totally feeling energetic.
Yes, that's good.
Yes.
Okay.
The program itself was very good.
So before starting, take both the palms together, rub. Fast. What we are going is we are going to activate our energy. So fast. And when I say stop, you have to bring the palm apart and stop. Okay? So fast. Stop. Are you able to experience some tingling sensation, some heat in the palm? Right?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. One more time. What we are doing, we are activating it. We are activating the energy. Fast. Stop. Close your eyes. Just feel the sensation you are feeling on your palm. Just feel it. Is it different? Yes? Okay. And I think we are connected and we are activated our energy. So let us start with the Tai Chi. Step number 1, bring both the hands up. Slowly, you have to be as slow as possible. Down. Bend. Slowly bring all your attention to your hands. Up. Slowly. Slow Anand. Be slow. It is like a meditation. You can close your eyes. Down. Slow. Up. Experience the energy. You will experience it. This is step number 1. Step number 2, you have to energy ball. Just form an energy ball. Imaginary, see that you have hold the ball. And now move it to the right side. 2. Step number 3, bring both the hands close like this. You know, we have to move down like this, down. See, as if you are taking that energy from the ground. Yes, come up slowly and penetrate the energy into your body. Yes. Joyce is doing good. Preeti is doing wonderful. This is step number 3. Step number 4. Bring both the hands on the belly like this. Yes, like this. Palm facing upward. Legs apart. Slowly move it. Make a circle round. Yes. And bend a little bit. Bend it. Balancing. So this step is called balancing. We are open for miracle. We are open for love, peace, joy, and yes, happiness in our life. Thanking everyone who has added value in our life. Parents, siblings, family members, husband, child. Thanking everyone. Because of them we are. And there is a philosophy which is Ubuntu. I am because we are. I invite everyone to say along with me. I am because we are.
Because we are.
I am
Because we are.
I love myself.
I love myself.
I accept myself.
I accept myself.
I acknowledge myself the way I am.
I acknowledge myself the way I am.
And I take a challenge.
and I take the challenge
to change myself wherever it's required.
to change myself wherever required.